Opening the fridge door repeatedly wastes more power than you think. Each time you peek inside, warm air rushes in and cold air escapes. The fridge has to work extra hard to cool back down. This constant reheating uses more energy than leaving the door open briefly. It's better to decide what you want before you open it. Organize shelves so snacks are easy to find fast. This small habit saves money on electricity over time. It also extends your fridge's life by reducing strain. Cold food stays fresher too, so next time peek less, grab more. Be fridge smart and help the planet and your wallet together. Want more energy-saving tips? Subscribe for practical home hacks.